welcome to another episode of Travel Chef, and today we are going to do is a food review. This is a family kit or a quick meal kit that is brought out by Big Basket and it is called Prepped. So this is the carton that comes in and this serves 2 people. Very easy and quick recipe to make a lovely tasty biryani. So let's see how is it done. So come on along with us. The product that we are going to review is the Instant Biryani Kit. This product was recently launched on Big Basket and this is not a paid promotion. This biryani kit serves for 2 persons and you can even cook it now or you can either refrigerate it. Also, the shelf life is 2 days from the date of packing. Now let's flip over the box and let's see the date of packing. We see that it should be consumed best before 20th July 2021. Let's open the prep box and see what is inside it. In the box there is a measuring cup. The next is an aluminium foil. The third item is ghee, or it's also called as aromatic mix. The next item is salt. Next is brown onions, which will be used as garnishing. A packet of extra spice mix. Next is a bag of soaked rice. Next is some salt, which they added after cooking it from the pressure cooker. Next is cooking oil. The next ingredient is marinated chicken. The final ingredient is saffron water. And finally, this is the pamphlet of how to cook the biryani. In the pamphlet, we have 2 options. One, either cooking with the dum or using pressure cooker. We have taken the second option of using the pressure cooker. Also, it shows you what are the steps involved in making the biryani using the pressure cooker. Also, they have mentioned on the brochure each number of the product so that we can easily identify it and add that product. We place the pressure cooker on the stove and light it. The next step is to add the cooking oil. We spread the oil evenly across this pressure cooker pan. Keep the stove on low flame. We wait for the oil to get heated. Once the oil is heated, we need to add the marinated chicken. This is how a marinated chicken looks after opening the packet. We next empty the contents into the pressure cooker. We need to now cook the chicken for 2 minutes. We can do so by stirring it occasionally. Chicken pieces that is given in the package are quite big and chunky. Continue to stir the chicken in the pan. As we fry our marinated chicken, there's a lovely aroma that comes out. Stir the chicken a bit once it is on high flame occasionally. We continue to fry the chicken on high flame now. Now it is 2 minutes. We need to lower the flame. Next we need to add the soaked rice. Now we are adding the soaked rice along with the chicken ingredients. Mix the ingredients together. The next step is to add water, and for that they have provided us a measuring cup. The measuring cup holds 100 ml of water. So using this measuring cup we can pour 400 ml of water. And now we have poured 400 ml of water. The next is to add the aromatic mix. On the pamphlet they mentioned the aromatic mix number as 7, but over here it shows 81. But anyways, we're going to add the aromatic mix with the rest of the ingredients. We have emptied the packet of aromatic mix into the pressure cooker. The next ingredient to add is the saffron water. We have emptied the saffron water along with the rest of the ingredients. The next ingredient is salt for the cooker. Also there is another packet of salt for the dum. So now we add the salt for the cooker. After adding the salt, we need to mix it with the rest of the ingredients. We have added all the ingredients into the pressure cooker. Next, we need to cover that pressure cooker. Increase the stove to a high flame and cover the pressure cooker with the knob. Now the pressure cooker has cooled down. Let's open the lid of the pressure cooker and see how's our biryani. As we opened our pressure cooker, the lovely aroma of biryani hits us on our face, and the biryani is perfectly cooked. Let's check the chicken pieces whether it's cooked, and that too is perfectly cooked. Let's serve our biryani on a serving bowl. The final step is the garnishing of a biryani. We use the brown onions that they have provided us. We slowly sprinkle the onions on top of the biryani. And now our biryani is ready to be served. Enjoy it. Well, we hope you liked watching our video, and we request you to like, share and comment on our channel. If you want to try out this prepped instant biryani, buy it on Big Basket and try it. Also, if it has come out well, please leave your comments in the comment section below. Once we made this biryani, it came out superbly. It came very delicious, and it was also done in a matter of few minutes. The cost of this biryani was 275 rupees. Also, it was around 845 grams and this serves 2 people. So, if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. Enter your comments below in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon for future notification of our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Bye-bye from Travel Chef team. Take care.